to other co-accused on the ground that interim protection has been granted to the petitioner without examining each individual case on its own merits and in accordance with.
Fair enough, here. Much fair enough. In the meantime, I may be directed to file rejoinder. Please.
Rejoinder, if any, may be filed by me.
And interim order.
Interim order shall continue.
Please, sir.
Item number 9.
Here against an anticipatory bail dismissal, my lord. There was a
This order was passed on 24th January 24.
Yes, my lord.
There's a delay of 438 days. Criminal matters, we tend to be more liberal. But look at the number of developments after passing of that order. Why should we entertain this? We need to go back to the High Court. Did you see the things that happened? The husband surrendered. Then thereafter he is granted bail. You did not appear. Warrant has been issued. Thereafter 82 proceedings are initiated. You file a writ petition against that. You obtain a stay. So many developments have taken place after the passing of the.
Then I may be allowed to withdraw this.
And counsel for the petitioner seeks permission to withdraw this petition, reserving liberty to the petitioner who approached the High Court Public Sessions Court, if sufficient grounds are made and therefore the petition is permission granted to the SLP is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn with the liberty of the state.
Item number 10.
After your lordship granted protection orders, petition has been called for 5 times. Even 2 times the statement has been recorded.
Anyone appearing?
Stand to the state. There are some antecedents.
The antecedents
You need to file a counter, you filed it.
Yes,
Counter.
page 7 of the
You say
counter.
that he's cooperating.
Yes,
As we have said so. Well, he was the linchpin of the entire transaction.
But still,
Let's
some it seems to be a civil dispute. There is some civil litigation is also pending.
I name Millards.
You are saying for the complainant.
Millards, not for the complainant, but the power of attorney holder of the complaint. Whom? In the High Court, they said I do not have a valid power of attorney. Millards, I have presented it. I have filed my impeachment of 51 acres of land of a person, Millards, mutated wrongly by saying that the mother and the sister are dead. He is the sole legal, and the land goes to his.
The issue.
No, not only mutation. The
Some forged documents according
land is transferred to his
to
family.
civil litigation is. Why should-
Well, he claims that there were no other legal heirs.
The land has been transferred on the basis of these documents to his family members, to his.
Transferred?
Yes, Millards, he has
Only
been.
transfer. Mutation.
Yes, mutation.
Only revenue records. It's not that
Hiba, he says a hibanama, a gift, oral
it's
hiba,
just a name being entered in the revenue record.
on the basis of a gift deed, Millards.
So be it.
Millards,
What difference does it make? It doesn't confer title.
under the Mohammedan law, it is a valid transfer.
Mutation, does it confer title?
Millards, may kindly,
If he wants to pay tax to the government by getting his name mutated, so be it. You continue to be the owner, you are the owner.
Millards, may kindly see for a minute the
That
SLP.
will be resolved in a civil suit only.
Millards, the problem is this person, Millards, he says he was the person who was there. He says I was only the
Is he a
signatory.
hardened criminal? If he is out, he'll start killing people.
Millards, there are 2 cases.
He'll involve himself in a drug trade. What is this?
Millards, he has been involved in 2 more cases, Millards, as per the state's.
Mr.
Under NDPS.
Prasad, not in this case.
Millards, only 2 things.
Please
No.
grant the evidence is before this court and you have denied of anticipatory bail by the High Court in connection with this complaint case or a
There is an FIR.
connection with FIR in response by order 17/7/2025. This court granted him protection from arrest subject to his cooperating with the investigation in connection with the frustrated FIR. Counter affidavit having been filed and counsel for the state of Madhya Pradesh concedes that the appellant has joined investigation and is cooperating. So, we are of the opinion that custodial interrogation of the appellant is not warranted at this stage. It will is upon the evidence that he said the order waiters also directing that in the event the appellant is arrested in connection with the crime of this also, who shall be released on bail
Even continue
Terms and
cooperation.
conditions fixed by the transfer. The appellant shall continue to cooperate in the investigation and shall abide by the conditions stipulated in section 482 BNS.
I'm so deep. Lots of cases.
Item number 11.
To 5 minutes, give appearance physically minutes. Interview.
In item number 11, and I am appearing. But petitioner in jail from November 2023, my lord. No incriminating material has been found from the possession of the petitioner under the NDPS Act, my lord. Only allegation is that they have one
There
country
is
made,
one case against you only.
is not in the,
One name and
no, my lord, in the robbery case. That was the two cases. That was of robbery, my lord. The antecedent, my lord. In this case, my lord, he is not, no incriminating material has been found, my lord, from the conscious possession
page
from the
2,
petitioner.
page 2 of the order, paragraph 5. Criminal antecedent of the petitioner is relating to NDPS Act. You think that we don't read the order or we don't read
The
more?
criminal antecedent of petitioner is relating to NDPS Act in the light of this. Not it's wrong because I have instruction.
Mentioned in the order.
But I have instruction from the client, my lord. Two incident is
Not
there,
for
my
him
lord.
to wish it away. Even if he wishes it away with
No.
all his might.
If your
If
lord
it is an NDPS case, it will be an NDPS case. That is what the High Court has recorded. Why should we doubt what the High Court said? You have a NDPS case
the robbery, two cases robbery
up your
cases.
sleeve,
If
and this case again involves commercial.
Not if your lordship may kindly have page 16, my lord. 4 line from button the FIR, my lord, the allegation. 4 line from bottom, my
Well,
lord.
you seem to have an antecedent
The 2
under the
years, my
same
lord.
enactment.
Not in the
27th year he applies.
in the instant case, recovery is made only in the
Delivered note, however, we find no ground made up to interfere with the judgment passed by the High Court. So a petition is according to this.
Item number 12.
This is a regular bail application, my lord. My lord, there
All
is
cases,
no criminal antecedent.
no criminal.
No criminal antecedent, my lord. There is no recovery from me, my lord. The recovery is from two persons, Bahadur Kude and
They named you.
they named me, my lord.
And who is this Vikash Rajhans?
My lord, it is in my memorandum, my lord. What I stated before the police that I transfer 1,30,000.
They issue no.
Some legal dates.
No, I notice it available on 8 October, submission to effect.
CBO.
13.
May I please? One of the petitioner is seeking cancellation of the bail, my lord. Section 37 has not been.
You at least have a chemical analysis report.
But that's not the allegation here, my lord. The allegation is that he was found.
You destroyed
Not
the
even your,
contraband.
not this honorable court.
No 52A compliance.
Like, your lordship, it doesn't.
Bharat Ambale is one issue.
Yes. So the court
What
also.
do you have? Even
Not
Bharat
found.
Ambale says 52A, if you've not complied with the
There are other
procedure,
conditions because it is
that
recovered.
by itself won't be sufficient, but you at least need to have something.
Lord, I have
to look at.
recovered-
You at least have a chemical analysis report.
Lord, that's not the ground on which the High
Do you
Court.
have anything?
Lord, my.
What do you have?
Lord, our country, the court puts it on the ground that he has
Sir,
been.
please
Answer to the question.
When you have recovered 1,200 kg of cocaine,
Yes.
you must have sent a sample to the chemical examiner. Where is that report?
Lord, I look into that. Lord, I
You
don't
must.
have it right now.
1,490.
1,490 as against 100.
grams.
No, it is far in excess, my lord.
What do you have though?
My lord, that.
DRI destroys the
No, your
cocaine.
lordship's query is correct.
Did you at least get it chemically analyzed? You at least have a chemical analysis
Coming
report.
from the SLP, my lord, because it went on the ground that he was
Forget
incarcerated.
about the ground. Whether do you have that report
No,
or
it
not?
must be there, my lord, but I don't have.
There is no question. The-
Okay.
My lord, your lordship
If
is.
you have nothing at all, why should you
No, I'm
just
saying I
wait
don't-
listen?
no,
For
I-
what reason?
No, I'm only telling
You will
you.
ultimately fail because you have nothing.
My lord,
You don't
We are
get the
1490
material
grams of
before the magistrate, you don't get it identified, no.
my lord, that's not the allegation on which he
Nothing.
got the relief, my lord, your lordship.
52A violation is clear.
My lord, 52A, your lordship.
52A violation, if it is there,
It is-
then you need to at least have sufficient. Shall we?
And my lord, I do agree.
No,
I
but
do
you
agree what.
destroyed everything. What is the evidence that it was cocaine?
No, I do understand that.
If you do
my
understand,
lord, then
please tell
the
us.
only thing I can't tell offhand, my lord, without
Then we are
instructions
sorry.
from the.
Bharat Ambale says,
Yes.
satisfy the court that such non-compliance does not affect its case against the accused and the standard of proof required would be proved.
I do agree, my lord.
What do you have is what we are asking you, we are not getting an answer. You don't even have a chemical analysis.
My lord,
report.
that, my lord, I'm not aware from the facts.
That
of the
you
I
have to
can't
have
visualize.
from- there's no
That's only
question.
difficulty.
Delay condone, however, we find no good ground and reason to interfere with the interim judgment passed by the High Court, especially questions according to this.
Bill number 14.
14, my lords, I'm requesting for a password.
We are not sitting in the afternoon, so subject to availability of time, otherwise you'll get a date.
Please, please.
Bill number 15.
May it please lordships.
Yes.
This is a case of anticipatory bail, my lords. I have been named as an accused in the FIR. I was neither the maker nor the checker.
No, but
And-
you receive money in your account.
Lords, I have received money in my accounts. I'm not disputing this. But the issue is, lordships, there is this person checker, Satnarayan Bhagat. Lordships,
Willing to pay,
he is
you said you're willing to deposit the amount.
the amount, lordships, will deposit it, lordships.
That by itself might be an indication of guilt, is it not?
No, I'm not on that aspect. Lordships, I will show you what the issue is. Lordships may kindly come to page 62, 63, lordships.
Money will come, this is some public scheme, is it not? Janani
The
Suraksha.
Janani Suraksha Yojana, lordship, I will show you the issue. What is the issue? Lordships, lordships,
Well, you said you will deposit this 96,600. So let us
we will deposit it, lordships.
in ground JJ, the appellant, sorry, the petitioner. Ground JJ raised in the specially petition, the petitioner offered to deposit the sum of rupees 96,600 without prejudice to his submissions, subject to the petitioner depositing the said amount within 2 weeks.
And 4 weeks, lordships, we'll have to,
Till 4 weeks, you won't have the benefit of the anticipatory bail.
lordships, but 2 weeks, 2 weeks. My lord, the issue is they are poor people, my lord, they are daily wage earner.
You must be having the money ready or.
No, lordships, I will tell you what the scam has happened, lordships, in this case.
You've not spent it all, then you might have it, so you can.
No, lordships, I don't have the money. I don't have that money. The
Would not
checker.
offer of depositing unless there is something more to.
No,
this.
lordships, I will show you the issue, lord. If that be the case, lordships, I will show you what has happened in this case. I am not the person who is authorized to make this payment.
Transferred into your account is 19,600. Amount transferred into your son's account is 26,000. This is a matter of record.
Please, my lords, no dispute on that.
Statements.
Please, my lords, I am not disputing it.
So why are you taking all the this public scheme money into your own
My lords,
account? Explain.
no, lordships, I will tell you what the issue is. Lordship, I am actually a daily wage earner in this matter.
Subject to the petitioner depositing the sum of rupees 96,600 with the state of Jharkhand within 2 weeks from today. The petitioner shall not be arrested in connection with crime number so